Hey everyone, today let's talk about the PT series industry vacuum cleaners, especially the PT200 models.
For industries such as robotic welding, printed circuit board operations, and precision laser processing, they are truly transformative products. They are made of thick and sturdy metal plates, and the well-squeezed bricks make it extremely easy to move them around. Moreover, the PT200 operates at 2.2 kilowatts. It can run continuously for 24 hours a day, and it can be remotely controlled for linkage, start, and stop. The electrical components have top-notch protection measures against issues like phase sequence problems, overheating, and overloading. In addition, there is an adjustable automatic filter cleaning system, the PTFE membrane high-efficiency particulate air filter performs well in capturing dust particulates as small as 0.3 microns.
In a word, if you need precise vacuuming, the PT200 will be your new reliable partners.